right, boys. Go ahead and open it.
Oh, I get this one.
Sprinkle.
Ooh,
Be careful.
pinky.
Steve's playing with the peanuts already.
Pinky.
Okay, you can have the peanuts.
Pinky. Pinky. Ooh. That?
Okay. You have one too.
Hey.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Do not drop it. It's glass. Can I wrap it? Gentle, 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 gentle.
Oh.
It's glass.
What the?
Hey, look at it. What is it?
It's a Marshall Pepsi bottle.
Marshall Pepsi bottle. Let me see it.
I don't know. One.
Hey, unwrap it fully.
And it's from the stadium.
Let's see it.
There's rubber bands. Pinky.
Henderson Center. Try to get it. Zoom in there. Marshall versus Army. Inaugural game. 1981.
Pinky. What?
I'm talking to the video, sorry.
Pinky.
Look at that.
Sorry. This one.
Real fast.
A Mountain Dew thing? Oh, no, Marshall. Wait, you got the green one?
What's that?
It's a Marshall National Champions, December 1990.
Show it to them. National champions. Kids over here getting yelled at. The normal. Long neck. Zoom in. Come on. There we go. National champs. No big deal.
I just think there's paper in here.
That's awesome. Just make sure it's protected. So, get to put these in the man cave with the other Marshall stuff.
Mancave.
Man cave. My closet, as they call it.
I need Marshall stuff, then why isn't it called a Marshall cave?
It's going to be with the Marshall helmet. Cool? You like it?
Yes, yes.
Thanks, Jason.
Wait, Dad, wait. Thank you, Jason. Hey, Dad. Thank you.
Jason. And broken.
Annabelle. What?
That's funny.
That was you,
That's
Daddy.
broken. It's fine. Just kidding.
The glass, Dad, is crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
Dad, are we
All
going to
right.
put
Thank you,
those-
Jason. I appreciate it, bro.